Hi, my new video series on animal welfare called Cat and Dog Stories starts with this most helpless dog I have seen in the city of Colombo over the years, and I'm happy to say we managed to find a home for it, and that for me is a great feeling. So let's get started with that. This is the dog I'm talking about. It's really on its last legs. Please help it, because actually I brought the rice for him. I'm sorry to feed him in this situation. He's blind, I think he's half blind. But there was another dog, so I had to make it, I had to share it. I had only a single piece of paper. Sorry. I think I'll go home and bring some more rice. Oh gosh, he wants to be petted. Ivan, please help him. He's in a really bad state. He can hardly get up. I think he needs all your attention. I can't afford to pay for private medical care for a case like this. He needs a lot of care, but I will help. If someone, look at those toenails. I will bring some more food. I'm really sorry. I didn't think it would eat, because the last time I gave some food, that was months ago. It didn't eat anything. It's pretty dark now. I came back looking for our friend, and he's here. And I'm so happy to find him again. I'm surprised he can move at all. Okay, you can have your dinner. I brought him small pieces of meat because I don't know whether he's got enough teeth. As dogs get old. Here, man, Vatan. That's another problem for dogs. You're okay, you should have your teeth. Please help this dog. He's in really bad shape. I've never seen a dog in such terrible condition in the city of Colombo. He may not have much time to live, but let his last days be a bit more comfortable without pain. I'm going to bring him dinner from today every evening, but I sincerely hope that he won't be out in the open for long, that a shelter will take him in and treat him. So please help. I appealed a month ago, I think, to various organizations to get him into shelter without any luck. So Rohan is here. Rohan is not a stranger to animal welfare activists in Sri Lanka. He is well known through Facebook. He helps a lot of animals, stray dogs and cats, and he agreed to look after our nameless friend here for about a month and treat him, wash him, cut his fingernails, the toenails. Sorry, the toenails are a big problem. They are overgrown and there's blood on the cement. There was blood on the cement here a few days ago, most probably due to injuries caused by these nails. So we'll get those cut, and now we are trying to take him. I don't think he'll make a fuss. We are trying to get him to Rohan's place. So he is waiting eagerly for his food, but we want to put a muzzle, and we can't feed him now because he might vomit on the way. Yeah, no fuss. He is not in a condition to fuss. අපි ගිහලා බෙහෙත් කරන්න ගෙනියන්න. There, Rohan's got him in the cage. So she is safely in his cage now. He must be wondering what happened, but he's in safe hands. He doesn't have to worry. And can you smell the food? Don't worry, you will get fed as soon as you get there. I'm so happy that he found a shelter for the moment at least. So after a month, we'll see what we can do. Now I am at Rohan's animal welfare home, animal shelter. Our friend is also here, and there are lots of others, many others who have been rescued. Yeah, right, temper. Yes, they are not happy in cages. Right, Puss? Oh, there's our friend there. As soon as he saw me, he got up. Now he's okay. Last night he has been giving hell. He was in a cage, he's not used to it, and maybe he thought we were going to kill him, and Rohan said he couldn't get a wink of sleep. But now he's all right. There. Cat friends for you to play around with. They don't get nervous, they're going to bite you. And he's not happy. Yes. Right, okay. Well, he's Rohan's own Labrador, just temporarily in the cage, otherwise he's out. There. Push, busy washing yourself. Hey. Oh, that's not a smile. Yes, conditions are not optimal, but he is doing this under great difficulties. The main problem is finding an assistant. The last assistant was not very effective, not very good. So there's a new guy. But he's got to be trained, and in the meantime, Rohan has got to do all the work himself. Right? Yeah, he looks a little weird. Oh, he's got some problem with his eyes. That's why he's looking weird. A pretty dog. There's our friend there. Looking good, looking much better than yesterday on the road. Main thing is getting some water. This is something I always forgot. I wanted to take some water there every day, but I forgot. I'm so happy that he's getting some water. See how greedily he's lapping up that water. I don't think he's ever got any clean water to drink, only from the drains. You know, this is what we can do. I'm stretching myself out. Yeah, drinking more water. This needs more water now. Now we don't think just how badly animals need water. What I tell people is, it's not just food. People always leave some leftover food for the animals, but also give them some water. This is very important. So running a shelter is a lot of work. There are always these plates to be cleaned, dishes. So now this guy is completely blind. I didn't notice, but he goes everywhere. He's the first to run to the gate if he hears a noise, but he's completely blind. We put a muzzle to him because you never know during the bath how he's going to react. He has to be carried, the baby. He doesn't want to walk for the bath. Kan. But I think he's getting the first bath of his life. Savlon. Oh, he's getting good treatment here with Savlon mixed with water. So looking after and treating strays, well, you have to go into a certain degree of trouble, but it's also, I think for me it's fun. There's a fun side to it. You enjoy it. You can't do it unless you enjoy this. It isn't just a job. Okay, now he's getting his fingernails cut. This is very important because he was bleeding from the pores. there was blood on the pavement on a couple of days. Though I kept giving him medicine for his wounds, they're so grown. අයියෝ ජීවිත කාට ඉතින් කළා නෑනේ
මේ නියපොතු මෙයා විහිම කනවා මේ
එහෙමද ඒක වෙන තුවාල වෙන්නේ නේද යාම කනවානේ Rohan says he bites his own fingernails because they must be very uncomfortable, and that's another reason for causing injuries. So he's getting the full treatment now. Ears cleaned, and Rohan has got this wonderful ointment, yes, mange cream, that is for the skin. I don't think I've ever had such good treatment in my life. Okay, he's looking prettier now. He's got purple toes. They look much better than before. So finally he had this spray also. Yeah, that is a sort of antiseptic for all the skin injuries, lesions, wounds. So that's great. Yes, look at him now. He wants to get the muzzle off. Okay, we'll do that. He has to go to the cage, otherwise if he gets out and lies on the dust here, all this treatment will be useless. But the problem is he doesn't like the cage, so he's getting out, and Rohan is trying to do something about it. Last night he managed to squeeze out of these bars. I'm back in Rohan's shelter at Mount Lavinia. It's our friend. He recognized me. Now I'm very happy. That he's found a home. But this was the whole idea. He's found a home, and he's been here for about a week, no more. And due to our Facebook appeals, he's found a home. Look at that. There's someone willing to take him, but the person wishes to remain anonymous, so I'm not going to put her in the video and just thank her. So yeah, he's gone. The well-wisher doesn't want to be in the video, so we respect her wishes. And okay, this guy now, yeah, well, they became friends, but now, no, sadly, your new friend is gone. He is blind, and Rohan has picked him up from a cemetery where he has been abandoned, and Rohan is looking after him.